My Crypto Radio News.
Bernstein, which has approximately $6,000 billion in assets under its management but also provides many services outside of asset management, made an important assessment about the spot Bitcoin ETF demands. In its latest report, the company stated that a SEC is highly likely to approve a spot Bitcoin ETF request. Bernstein analysts led by Gautam Chungani stated that the curse will not accept the SEC's defense that the futures ETF price did not come from the spot price, while the curse are not convinced on this. Therefore, allowing a futures ETF and not allowing the spot will not be acceptable to be cursed, they said. Addressing the issue of the surveillance agreement in the latest ETF updates, the firm analyst said the SEC would prefer to work with regulated exchange which include a surveillance agreement of much more mainstream Wall Street participants rather than dealing with grayscales over the counter products that take advantage of the gap in corporate regulations. Famous Bitcoin phenomenon and advocate Anthony Pompliano has suggested that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission will approve spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds. Anthony Pompliano, the leading name in the cryptocurrency market, talked about possible moves on the SEC on Bitcoin spot ETF applications in a recent CNBC broadcast. Pompliano, displaying a positive attitude in general terms, stated that ETF applications made by world giants such as BlackRock and Fidelity could be approved. On the other hand, Pompliano stated that the application of such big actors as spot Bitcoin ETF shows the appetite of Wall Street players for Bitcoin and argued that if ETFs are approved, there will be a serious money flow. With BlackRock's update of its Bitcoin ETF application, the largest cryptocurrency has risen above $31,000, while the number of large Bitcoin open positions in the world's largest futures and options exchange CME has reached a serious level. According to the information provided by the blog, the number of investors holding at least 25 Bitcoin futures positions increased from 94 on May 30 to 121. The surge in the CME market came after the rally in crypto and Bitcoin in particular. It is stated that the biggest factor in this movement of Bitcoin, which exceeded $31,000 last night, is that BlackRock updated its spot Bitcoin ETF application. Generally, a high level of open positions means that the demand for that financial instrument is also high. While Bitcoin is modestly rising again, Kate Stockton, founder and managing partner of research firm Fairlead Strategies, suggests that Bitcoin is on the way to toward $6,000. In his comment to CNBC, Stockton cited the recent bottom breakout in Bitcoin, and similarly, the breakdown in the stock markets is an important indicator of its potential rise. She also stated that she believes the drop in the volatility index is a harbinger to rise in both Bitcoin and the stock market. The Fairlead Strategies executive also addressed the performance of the stock market, highlighting the relationship between Bitcoin and the stock market. She emphasized that the S&P 500 exits in mid-May, as well as a similar momentum observed in the Nasdaq, trended parallel to that of Bitcoin. Cameron Winklevoss, co-founder of the US-based crypto exchange Gemini, submitted his final offer by sending an open letter to Barry Silbert, the founder of the digital currency group. In a recent social media post, Cameron Winklevoss appealed to Barry Silbert, CEO of DCG, the giant investor in the cryptocurrency market, demanding that pay his $1.46 billion debt. Describing his offer as the final and best offer in his post, Winklevoss emphasized that he will sue DCG and Silbert if the payment is not made. If the DCG front responds to the offer by July 6 and if they accept it, they must make an initial payment of $275 million by July 21st. If DCG does not accept the offer, litigation is expected by Gemini. Prepared by My Crypto Radio News Center, we have transferred the news. Happy day, everyone.